Introduction to Linux operating system. What is Linux? Linux is the best known and most used open source operating system. As an operating system, Linux is software that sits underneath all of the other software on computer, receiving requests from those programs and relaying these requests to computers hardware. What is Linux operating system? The Linux open source operating system or Linux OS is freely distributable cross-platform operating system based on Unix that can be installed on PCs, laptops, netbooks, mobile and tablet devices, video game consoles, servers, supercomputers, and more. This Linux logo was suggested by Linus Torvalds in 1996. What is the main function of Linux? Linux is an operating system. It's software that directly manages a system's hardware and resources like CPU, memory, and storage. The operating system sits between applications and hardware and make the connections between all of your software and physical resources that do the work. What is difference between Linux and Windows? Linux is open source operating system, whereas Windows is commercial. Linux has access to source code and alters the code as per user need, whereas Windows does not have access to source code. Linux distribution don't collect user data, whereas Windows collect all the user details, which lead to privacy concern. Advantages of Linux. Open source. One of the main advantage of Linux. So source code is easily available for everyone. Security. Revive older computer systems. Software updates. Customization. Various distribution. Free to use. Large community support. The core reason you don't need an antivirus on Linux. It doesn't require antivirus. Malware for Windows is extremely common. Whatever the reason, Linux malware isn't all over the internet like Windows malware is. Using an antivirus is completely unnecessary for desktop Linux user. What are different Linux distributions today? Ubuntu, Fedora, Linux Mint, Open Source, PC Linux OS, Debian, Mandriva, Symbian, Gentoo. What is Ubuntu and how does it work? Ubuntu is free desktop operating system. It's based on Linux, a massive project that enables millions of people around the world to run machines powered by free and open source on all kinds of devices. Linux comes in many shapes and sizes, with Ubuntu being the most popular interaction on desktop and laptop. Ubuntu LTS, which stands for Ubuntu Long Term Support, is a stable version of Ubuntu Linux-based operating system that is largely targeted towards enterprise-grade server environments. Ubuntu LTS editions are only released every 2 years, whereas the non-LTS editions are released every 6 months. LTS releases are designed to be stable platforms that you can stick with for a long time. Ubuntu guarantees LTS releases will receive security updates and other bug fixes, as well as hardware support improvements. In other words, new kernel and X server versions for 5 years. Advantages of Ubuntu. Ubuntu is free. Ubuntu is completely customizable. Ubuntu is more secure. Ubuntu runs without installing. Ubuntu is better suited for development. Ubuntu's command line. Ubuntu can be updated without restarting. Ubuntu is open source. These are some current versions for Ubuntu. You may see here 14.046, 16.06, 18.4.4 is latest one. More advanced also there. What is Ubuntu 18.4 LTS? Ubuntu 18.04 is a long-term support release and will receive updates and supports from Canonical until April 2023 and more. What is Ubuntu 18.04 called? Ubuntu 18.04 LTS is called Bionic Beaver. So, we'll see the installation or how to install Ubuntu 18.04 in next session.